Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to show you the black frame music video effect. So first of all, for this effect you need a clip on which you want to apply this effect. You need to cut out your clip, so this will be my clip. And then I just press Alt and the left mouse button at the same time and I drag this clip one layer up and I go with this clip into Fusion. Now I press Shift and Spacebar at the same time and I search for Magic Mask. Select Magic Mask and press Add. And if you don't got the studio version, then just watch this video to see how to rotoscope for free. So now just try to mask out your person. So I select my person with the magic mask. And I subtract the parts which are not my person. Now if everything is finished, then just press this button. And the AI will track forward and backwards. Now go to Matte and increase the blur to about 0.1. Then go back into the edit page and I drag this clip some frames to the right. And now I go with this clip selected into Fusion. Then I drag this background node into the node field and I connect it with the media in one node. Again I select the background node and I click once onto this symbol. So this is our rectangle mask and I try to invert it. And now you can play around a little bit with the soft edge, so I just increase it to about 0.5 and I increase the width and height a little bit to about 0.6. Then I select this background node and I click once onto this transform node and I increase the size to my liking. And lastly, just press Shift and Spacebar at the same time. Search for camera shake. Select this camera shake option and press add. And now you can feel free to adjust these values, but I recommend to increase the X deviation and Y deviation. And decrease the rotation deviation a little bit. Also the overall strength and the speed. So now it should look like this. Now go back into the edit page and change the position of the upper clip. And now it should look like this. And if you want the edges sharper, then just go to your second clip, go to your rectangle mask and decrease the soft edge. So now it should look like this. And maybe you want to add some glowing to your person, so I just select my upper clip and I go into Fusion. And I press Shift and Spacebar at the same time and search for shadow. Select shadow, press add and increase the softness to about the maximum. Then you can change your color to your liking, so I just choose orange or something like this. And I go back into the edit page. So now it should look like this. Alright, that's it for this black frame music video effect. So I hope this video has helped you. If so, then leave a like or a sub to my channel. Go watch one of these two videos to learn more about DaVinci Resolve. And thanks for your attention, stay creative and bye.